forgot what it's called. Some kind of ice lettuce. Oh, is it recording?
Ice lettuce. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks similar to that ice lettuce. So let's just try it. Okay.
Wendy, the scavenger here.
Oh.
Ew, what is it? What does it taste like?
A little salty. It tastes like the ice lettuce. I think this is the ice lettuce.
Oh, look, jackpot.
Yeah! Hey guys, today my friend and I are out on a little hike, the trail around on the beach, and look what we ran into. These things, I think they are ice lettuce, like the ones I saw in Hong Kong, this farm. And I think they have them used as more like the higher end restaurants or something, and they taste just like ice lettuce, just like that clip I showed you guys earlier. Oh look, it's like little red spots from the sun. Sorry. I love the way it feels. And we're just enjoying a nice green juice that I add some Ashitaba leaves in, along with celery and coconut water and apples, and we're just enjoying a nice nature walk here with some wild foods.
It started as a misty morning, but when we got to the trail, the sun started to peek through the clouds and the rain finally stopped. It was like this day was meant for us to go out and explore and just be one with nature. So we came across this field of succulent greens and we wondered if any of these weeds are edible. We got down on our knees and we took a closer look. And I reached out my hand and I touched these leaves, and now if you've touched these plants before, you won't forget how they feel. The bladder cells that look like water drops or morning dew covering the entire plant, these actually help the plants retain lots of the moisture. And because of these bladder cells, the texture of the plants feel like snake or lizard skin.
It feels. This is so gross. Feels like human skin?
Yes.
Feels like snake skin.
No. Maybe because it's like moist.
Oh yeah, after the rain. Look at that. Oh my god, you gotta feel this one.
What? Feel what's the difference?
Feel this one.
Oh, okay. I'm okay with this. Oh wait, no, I'm not. No, I'm not.
These succulents are called ice plant or ice lettuce. They're native to South Africa, and now you find them in coastal regions of Oregon and even California. The small flowers bloom around August to October, and the flowers form these tiny seeds that seem to sprout quite easily and quickly from fresh seeds. These succulent leaves have this crunchy, lightly salted taste. The texture is quite unique, unlike any common leafy greens I've ever had, so I highly suggest that you give them a try if you get a chance. And seeing that they grow so well and just out in the open, I knew that this plant would love full sun. The only thing I wasn't sure about this is how well this plant would thrive inland, since there's much lower humidity as we move away from the ocean. So I'll give you guys an update video on how these plants are doing, how my plants are doing. And these plants have very fine, shallow root system.
It's so cute.
I know.
Hey, I got a little root with it, so hopefully it'll work. I feel so bad. Thank you, babies.
They can be grown in clay soil or sandy, well-drained soil. And if I were to grow them, I would add a pinch of sea salt in the potting mix, and maybe even adding a little bit of sea salt in the water, so that these ice lettuce would have the slightly salty taste, just like the ones in this video.
I'm gonna try to.
You can cut that.
Oh, it has a really nice aftertaste.
Is it lemony?
No, but
It's
it has
salty,
like
right?
really salty, nice flavor, like aftertaste that's salty, like minerals.
It reminds me of kelp.
Oh yeah, a little bit, because a little salty and that mineral taste is what it is, I think. Yeah, it's so nice. I'm going to try to propagate these. So good luck to me, and thank you for letting me enjoy and harvest. Yeah, okay, that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. See you guys right back in the next one. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.